Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda Accord sunroof. First, accurately diagnose the problem, whether it's a motor, track, or switch issue. Next, prepare your workspace and collect all the required tools, including a multimeter for electrical checks. Always remember to disconnect your car's battery before beginning any work to prevent electrical shorts or injuries. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Once the battery is disconnected, you'll need to gently lower the headliner. Use a trim removal tool to avoid damaging the fabric or plastic clips. This step provides access to the sunroof's internal mechanisms. Pay close attention to the motor's wiring and the condition of the tracks. Often, a simple cleaning or reseating of a connector can resolve common issues, saving you time and effort. Hey everyone, if you're finding this step-by-step guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Quick recommendation: when you're tackling a project like this, it's important to stay hydrated. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drink cold and accessible. Check the description for a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After identifying the problem, proceed with replacing any defective parts. Ensure new components are correctly installed and secured. Apply a high-quality, silicone-based grease to the sunroof tracks to ensure smooth movement and prevent future sticking. Once everything is reassembled, reconnect your car's battery. Then, carefully test the sunroof's open, close, and tilt functions multiple times to confirm the repair is successful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.